Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on my ASIC GT 2160 sneakers. These are the classic dad sneakers that everyone has been wearing lately. So I decided I'd give them a try. I ordered them for $120 from Urban Outfitters in a size 6 in men and 7.5 in women. I typically try to size up to an 8 if I don't know what size I am in a shoe, but I've noticed lately that I'm more of a 7.5 than I am an 8, which I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if it happens with age, but my shoe size is adjusting. I don't know if these are shoes that you need to size up in or size down in, so I'll see how the 7.5 works. I am truly a 7.5. I feel like my shoe size is between 7.5 and an 8, but who knows? So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. I figured these would be the perfect sneakers for the summer. I have a lot of outdoorsy activities that I want to do, and for the price point of only $120, I figure I wouldn't mind beating them up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. If you want to see more of the items that I love, make sure you're following me on my Instagram at with one purpose and on my LTK, which is just Nia G, and all of that will be linked down below, as well as the shoes in every color option that they have, and from a few different websites, just in case you don't want to order from Urban Outfitters. Here is the box. There is an A, simple, the logo, ASICS. You can see the sizing there and the pricing on the side. The color that I got was the white orange lily. I really wanted the green, but they were sold out when I ordered them, and then when I went back to look, the green was there. But I've been really liking this peach color a lot lately, so I really don't mind it. So I figured it would be something fun to try. They do look pretty big initially as I pull them out of the box, but here they are. That thick dad sole. These dad sneakers. These are going to be really cute, especially with like a one piece, like, you know, those cute little tennis skirt one pieces, or even just a white tennis skirt itself. I love white year round, but especially in the summer, so that's how I'm planning on styling it. I also got a pair of socks from Free People that are the same orange peach color. So they have the thick laces. These are like the absolute sturdiest laces there possibly can be. Like, if you know, you know. These laces are great. My cheer shoes used to always have laces like this, so I know they will withstand some drama, okay? So the tongue is black. It says ASICS with the logo, and it has this black gel tablet here, and then the mesh on the inside, and then the back says gel, and it's silver, and then the white and the orange bubbles throughout. And this is the classic design that ASICS typically have. I honestly didn't really see anyone trying these on, which is why I really wanted to do this video, because I'm just curious myself how they fit, because I see everyone wear them, but no one really describes what they're actually like, and I need to know. So let's see. They look super comfortable though, and on the inside the sole says ASICS says GT 2160, which is the style of the sneaker, because there are various styles, but I feel like these were the cutest ones that I felt like are very athletic and sporty, but they'll look really cute at the same time. So also love the colors because they're pretty neutral, so I won't be like they'll go with a lot of the athletic wear that I already have. They go well with navy, blues. I have lots of blue and light blue and gray for workout wear, and then obviously I love white. So all right, it says GT 2160 here. So they're the same on both sides, and they're really like sturdy in the sole. And I know that these are gonna have like a lot of bounce back with the way that they're made. Shoes with this bubble typically do have a lot of bounce back. Basketball shoes are typically made like this, like Nikes and things like that. And then I see that they go up in the arch. I've been learning so much about arch support. I didn't realize that that was such a huge thing, that some people can't wear certain shoes because they don't have an arch in their foot. I like somehow naively assumed that we all had arches in our feet, but guess not. So here is how they look. side by side. They're super clean. They're pretty adorable. I'm kind of nervous about them being a bit too big, but we will see when I try them on. And then on this shoe, it has the care instructions. It says ASICS suggests cleaning your ASICS shoe with a shoe cleaner and a soft cloth or brush, or surface clean using cold water and a mild detergent. Avoid storing ASICS shoes in an extremely hot environment or under extreme sunlight, and do not use a washing machine or dryer to clean your ASICS shoes. I love when shoes have these care instructions about all items itself. So if the item gets destroyed because you decided to put them in a washing machine, that is your fault. I know a lot of people like to wash their running shoes and Converse and things like that in the washing machine, but with the way that this material looks, it looks like it will store a lot of moisture if you did try to put it in the washing machine, and it definitely wouldn't dry out because of the thick sole. It would just melt. So that makes perfect sense. It's perfect that I really don't plan to wear jeans, obviously, because these are more of a running shoe. So I'll probably wear lots of sweats, or like I said, runsies and one pieces and things like that with these, because I know that with this color, it'll pick up a lot of dyes and dirt. So won't be doing that. As for the rest of the shoe, getting them dirty, because I did mention that I plan on doing some hiking, some bike riding. It looks like it will be easy to wipe off, but I'll probably just do the bare minimum with the upkeep for the shoe. And I really love the way this leather here feels. So let me try them on and show you guys how they fit. Immediately trying them on, I know that the 7.5 is my absolute perfect size. With the mesh here, I know that they will relax as I wear them and kind of break them in, but these are not a shoe that I feel the need to have to break in, because they are such a perfect comfy fit. They feel honestly like clouds, and these are the socks that I picked out. I will also link these down below. They're a little bit lighter than the orange here because this is peach and this is orange, but I really do love the color contrast, and I love these movement socks because they're super thick and they're still cute. And if you follow my other social medias, you know that I love ruffle socks, and they have a bunch of these athletic type of thick socks that are really cute. So they're not just like, you know, the typical tube socks, and I really like that. On the instep, you can see the arch support, and I can feel it holding my foot up. I wear a lot of kind of more so fashionable sneakers, so they don't all feel like this. I will say that my Fenty Avanti Pumas, they fit like this, and I've worn those to work out in, but I feel like this is going to be a really good walking shoe. I love my hot girl walks, so I'm really looking forward to wearing these more. I love the silver, I love the orange. I do wish that I got the green, but if there is another pair of ASICS that comes out with that same colorway, I'll definitely get them. But as for this style, I feel like one is enough, and I'll probably wear these in. I do see me getting definitely my cost per wear out of these shoes. I mean, they were only $120, and I feel like they're pretty much worth it. That's like the average cost for a pair of Nikes or Air Max, good quality running shoes. So definitely worth it. I see the hype, I get it, and I'm really excited to wear these shoes. I feel like I'm super trendy right now since everyone's been kind of doing the ASICS thing, and I'm a little bit late to the party, but definitely worth it. I love them. They're so cute and fun to look at. All right, so that is it for the try on. The 7.5 is my perfect size. I will say that they do run true to size, because I feel like 7.5 is my perfect size, and these fit perfectly. With the mesh, obviously they will relax, and I'm really looking forward to see how that plays out. I'm satisfied with the colorway, satisfied with the comfort, so I will rate these a 10 out of 10 upon my first try on. Make sure you are following my Instagram at With One Purpose and my LTK Nia G, just so you can see how I style them, and everything will be linked down below. The shoes, different purchasing options, everything linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Check out all of my other hauls and unboxings on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.